Good morning to everyone. I am the Dr. Kiran Jaiswal, Associate Professor, Chemistry Department, Buddha PG College, Kushinagar. My topic is the coordination compound, which is the syllabus of the BSc second year students. Before I going to the coordination compound, there is the some points. That is, what is the double salt and what is the coordination compound. The double salt. What is the double salt? What is the double salt? Double salt, these are the addition compound which when breaks down into the constituent when they are dissolved in the solvent. For example, that is their physical and chemical properties is similar to that of their parent compound. For example, that is the potassium sulfate and aluminum sulfate plus 24 molecule of water gives the potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, 24 molecule of water. This is known as the potassium. Potassium. These are the double salt. So the double salt, these are the addition compound which breaks down into the constituent when they are dissolved in the solvent. That is, the physical and chemical properties of the double salt of the individual is similar to that of the parent compound. That is the potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate and 24 molecule of water gives the potassium. The potassium, when they are breaks down when they are dissolved in the water, they breaks down into their constituent. That is the potassium sulfate and aluminum sulfate. That is, the properties of this is similar to that of the potassium. The second point is the coordination compound. What is the coordination compound? What is the coordination compound? These are the, what is the coordination compound. Coordination compound. These are the addition compound which retain their properties when they are dissolved in the solution. That is, their physical and chemical properties of compound do not similar to that of the parent compound. For example, when the potassium cyanide on reaction with the ferrous cyanide, FeCN2 gives the K4FeCN6, 4 molecule of water. K4FeCN, potassium ferrocyanide. This K4FeCN6, K4FeCN6 on dissolved in the water gives the 4 potassium ion plus ferrocyanide and FeCN6 for -4. That is the coordination compound. These are the addition compound which retain their properties in the solution. That is, their physical and chemical properties do not similar to that of the parent compound. For example, when the potassium cyanide on reaction with the ferrous cyanide gives the potassium ferrocyanide. When the potassium ferrocyanide in solution gives the potassium ion and the ferrocyanide ion. It does not give the taste of the ferrous ion and cyanide ion, but it gives the taste of the ferrocyanide ion, which is similar, which is the different from the parent compounds. So this is known as the coordination compound. Now we will take up the some point which is before going the coordination compound. We know what is the central metal ion. What is the central metal ion? What is the central metal ion? The central metal ion. These are the cation to which the one or the more neutral molecule or anion is directly coordinated to the ion, positive ion is known as the central metal ion. For example, it can be written as this Ag NS3 2 plus ion. Here the silver ion is the positive ion. The positive ion to which the central metal ion, the positive ion to which one or more neutral molecule or anion is directly coordinated to the central metal ion is known as the central metal ion. For example, in this case, the silver is the central metal ion because to the central metal ion there is the two NS3 group is attached, coordinated to the central metal ion. The structure will be this: NS3, NH3. This is the central metal ion. Two ammonia ligand is attached to the central metal ion. So silver is known as the central metal ion. This is the central metal ion. Next is the, what is the coordination sphere? What is the coordination? What is the coordination sphere? The ligand and the central metal ion, the ligand which is directly attached to the central metal ion, both are written in the square bracket. This is known as the coordination sphere. For example, the CO NS3 plus 3 ion. Here there is the CO is the central metal ion and 6 ammonia ligand. It is coordinated to the central metal ion. So both they are written in the square bracket. Both are written in the square bracket, and this is known as the coordination sphere. Next point is the ligand. What is the ligand? Next point is the ligand. What is the ligand? What is the ligand? The neutral metal ion, the neutral molecule or the anion which is directly coordinated to the central metal ion is known as the ligand. For example, we can say this AgCl2 minus 1. The ligand. What is the ligand? The neutral molecule or anion which is directly attached to the central metal ion is known as the ligand. Each ligand contains the one lone pair, at least one lone pair of electron, and this lone pair of electron is donated to the central metal ion. In this way, the ligand acts as the donor. In this way, the ligand acts as the donor molecule, and central metal ion act as the acceptor molecule. And this ligand is the donor and acceptor molecules. So this is the known as the ligand. Now we will discuss what is the coordination sphere, what is the central metal ion, what is the ligand, and now we can talk about the nomenclature. The compound, the inorganic compound is written by the name. There is the certain rules before writing the name of the compound, IUPAC name of the coordination compound. There are the certain rules, nomenclature. There are the certain rules before naming the any coordination compound. There is the first rule. First rule is that the ligand are named first, then the central metal ion. पहले हम ligand को नाम करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद the central metal ion. That is, the ligand are named first, then the central metal ion. For example, this is the AgCl2 minus 1. The name of this compound will be the dicyanoargentate first anion. Name will be the dicyano. The CN is the ligand. So the name of the ligand will be named as first the dicyano, then the central metal ion. This carry the negative charge. So the name of the silver will be the argentate and argentate first anion. So the ligand are named first and then the central metal ion. Second rule is the if the coordination sphere contains the more than one ligand, they are written in the alphabetical order. For example, if the coordination sphere contains the various type of ligand, they are named as the alphabetical order. The order of the ligand will be the negative, then neutral, and then positive. The sequence of the ligand, name of the ligand will be the negative, neutral, and then positive. Next is the third point is the negative ligand, that is the CN, that the negative ligand end with the O, that is the suppose chloride ion, bromide ion, CS3CO, acetate ion, and extra sulfate ion. These are the negative ligand. The negative ligand end with the O. That is the name of the at the end of the name of the negative ligand, the O is used. The name of this will be the chloro. This will be the bromo. This will be the acetato, and this is the sulfato, and extra. So the negative ligand end with the O. At the end of the negative ligand, we retain the O. That is chloride. ID is removed by the O. Bromo, aceto, sulfato, cyano, etc. Third rule. And fourth rule is that the fourth rule of nomenclature is that the neutral ligand is written by the special name such as water, ammonia, and CO. These are the neutral ligand. The neutral ligand is written by the special name. Water is written by the ECO. This is ammonia is the amine, and this is the carbonyl by the special name carbonyl. Similarly, though NO, CS, and NS, these are also neutral ligand. These are the named as the nitrosyl, thiocarbonyl. This is the thiocarbonyl, and this is the thionitrosyl. So the NO, CS, and NS, these are the also neutral ligand. They are named as the nitrosyl, S means thiocarbonyl, and thionitrosyl. So the neutral ligand is written by the special name. The next point is that the positive ligand end with the EM. The positive ligand. Next point, the positive ligand end with the EM, IUM. 6 point over there will be the 6 point. The positive ligand it with the EM. For example, hydresium, nitrosilium, hydroxylium. These are the positive ligand. At the end of this, the hydrazine is replaced by the hydroxium. One hydrogen ion is attached. There nitrocilium NO plus. This is the this is written as the nitrocilium. So these are the positive ligand. Next point. The next point will be that if the coordination sphere carries the positive charge, then the name of the central metal ion is written as such. For example, CO NH3 6 plus 3. The coordination sphere carries the positive plus 3 charge. The next point. What is the next point? If the coordination sphere carries the positive charge, that is this, then the name of the central metal ion, that is the cobalt, is written as such. For example, the name of this compound will be the hexaamine cobalt third cation. The name of the cobalt is written as such. The hexaamine cobalt third cation. There will be this is the neutral ligand. There are the 3 positive charge. So the cobalt is in the +3 oxidation state. So their cobalt in +3 oxidation state and the plus charge. So it is the cation. The name will be the hexaamine cobalt third cation. The next point, if the coordination sphere carries the negative charge, then at the end of the central metal ion, the ATE is used. If the coordination sphere carries the negative charge, that is the negative charge on the coordination sphere. If the coordination sphere carries the negative charge, then at the end of the central metal ion, the ATE is used. For example, the name of this compound will be the dicyanoargentate. Argentate, not will be the silver. The silver Ag is the silver, but we Latin word argentate. The argentate first anion. The name of this compound will be the dicyano. There is the 2 ligand, cyanide ion, negative ligand. There will be the O at the end of the ligand. There will be the dicyano, and this is the negative charge carries the coordination sphere. Negative charge carries. So the name of the central metal ion at the end will be the AT. So there will be the argentate. This is in the first state. The silver ion is in the first oxidation state. There is the -2 cyanide ion. This will be the on the other side. It will be the plus, and so it will be the first anion. So it will be the in +1 oxidation state. So the dicyanoargentate first anion. Next point. Time क्या होगा? Next point. If the coordination sphere, the name of the simple ligand is written by the di, tri, tetra, etc. The name of the numbering of the name of the simple ligand is written by di, tri, tetra, etc. That is CO, NH3, 6 plus 3. There is the 6 ligand, hexaamine, cobalt, third cation. Similarly, there will be the silver, NH3, 2 plus name will be the di. There will be the hexaamine. Here there is the 2 ligand, so there is the diamine, silver first anion, a cation. So the number of the simple ligand is written by the di, tri and tetra. But in case of the complex ligand, in case of complex ligand such as the ethylene diamine, there will be the tris, bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis is used. In case of complex ligand such as the ethylene diamine, the bis, tetrakis, pentakis, etc. it is used. For example, Cl3. En means ethylene diamine. So the name will be the trikiss. And in case of complex ligand, the ethylene diamine, the trikiss, bis, trikiss, tetrakis, pentakis, etc. is used, and ligand is written in the bracket, such as here there is the trikiss ethylene diamine, ethylene diamine. The ligand will be written in the bracket. The trikiss ethylene diamine, chromium 3rd chloride. The name of this complex will be the trikiss ethylene diamine, chromium 3rd chloride. This is the complex compound. Next rule is that in case if the coordination sphere carries the more than one metal ion, so these two metal ion is linked by the ligand, and this ligand is known as the bridge ligand. In some cases, the coordination sphere contains the one or more metal ion, and these two metal ion are linked by the ligand, and this ligand is known as the bridge ligand, and the complex will be the bridge complex. And this ligand is represented by the mu, and it is separated from the rest of the body by a hyphen. You can see in this complex. For example, NH3, 4 CO, NH2 amide, OH, CO, NH3, 4. This complex. This here, there is the coordination sphere contains the two metal ion. These two metal ion are linked with the two ligand, that is the amide ligand, hydroxyl ligand. OH, hydroxide means negative charge, so hydroxyl ligand. So they are named by the name of this ligand. They are named by the is written as the mu, and rest of the body is and it is separated from the rest of the body by the hyphen. The name of this complex will be the mu amido. This is the amide group. The mu amido, mu hydroxo, mu hydroxo. Thus there is the same ligand. So it is there are the 8 amine ligand. So it will be the octaamine. There is the 2 cobalt octaamine, dicobalt. There will be the +4 charge. Dicobalt third cation. 4. There is the 2 negative charge. On this side there will be the 2 positive charge. There is the first 2 cobalt. There will be the 3 charge. On each cobalt there is the cobalt in this state will be the +3 oxidation state. So the name of this complex will be the mu amido. This is separated from the rest of the body by a hyphen. Mu amido, mu hydroxo, octaamine, dicobalt, third cation. So this is the rules for the nomenclature. First rule, the summary of this nomenclature will be the first rule, that is the ligand are named first, then the central metal ion. The second rule, that is the if the coordination sphere contains the more than one ligand, they are written in the alphabetical order. The order sequence of order will be the negative ligand, then neutral ligand, then positive ligand. Third will be then if the ligand is negative, then at the end of the negative ligand, O is used. For example, chloro, bromo, cyano, aceto, sulfato, etc. Then the neutral ligand is written by the special name. For example, water, ammonia, and CO. They are written as the echo, amine, carbonyl, nitrosyl, thiocarbonyl, thionitrosyl, etc. The next rule is the positive ligand is with the IUM. At the end of the positive ligand, IUM is used. For example, hydrazine, nitrocilium. The next point is if the coordination sphere contains the positive charge, then the central metal ion is name of the central metal ion is written as such. But if the coordination sphere contains the negative charge, then at the end of the central metal ion, AT is used. Next point, if the coordinate number of the simple ligand is named as say di, tri, tetra, etc. And next point, if the complex, in case of the complex ligand, for example, in case of ethylene diamine, we use the bis, trikis, tetrakis, etc. And next point, there is if the ligand coordination sphere contains the more than one or two metal atom, these two metal atom is linked by the ligand, and this ligand is known as the bridge ligand, and the whole complex is known as the bridge complex. And it is the ligand is written by the mu, and it is separated from the rest of the body by a hyphen, as is shown in the this structure. So this is the thank you.